My name is Benford Museveni. I came to Australia in 2010. I come from Kenya. Yeah. I totally recommend Sheffield College because with my experience over there, I never had any problems at all. That's I'm talking about getting your hours, getting even your school fees, everything. It was a really smooth experience. And like I said before, they did send me to a really good workshop where I got to learn and acquire lots of experience. So I'll highly recommend Sheffield College. And I've actually sent a few of my customers who come here. They normally want to join the mechanic industry. I'll be like, yeah, go to Sheffield College, because yeah, it's really good. Yeah.